Jojalapa, Newa Language Learning, Chapter 24, Verse O. Video ta gathe chong comment yana disa. Please remember Apple technologies for website designing, web application development, software development, etc. Please visit official website of Apple Technologies www.atneplnepal.net. Number 1. Occasion, nakha. Number 2. Occasionally, gobling. Number 3. Ocean, gunki. Number 4. Often, apartment. Number 5. Oil, chicken. Number 6. Okay or okay. Jew. Number 7. Old, pulangu. Number 8. Once, chaka. Number 9. One, chagu. Number 10. Open, cha. Number 11. Other, megu. Number 12. Hour, chigu. Subha, counter bear. Thank you. Bye. For fun among friends, we also say counter bear panina play. Means bye for today, we will meet again tomorrow. But this type of sentence is not official sentence of Newa language. Official sentence means traditionally we don't usually say this type of sentence like counter bear panina play.